In this tutorial we are reducing a long slit dual grating program with mods. Actually we are working only on mods 1 red frames, but the same procedure applies to the blue channel of mods 1 and to both the channels blue and red of mods 2. The very first time you open SIPGI, you'll have both the workspace and project fields empty, and so the very first thing to do is to set a workspace, and this is done by selecting the workspace menu and pressing new. SIPGI asks you to choose between the two instruments, we are choosing mods of course, and to give a name to your workspace before pressing the button create. I already have a workspace called mods, so I'm not creating a new one. By setting a workspace, you are activating all the recipes pertaining to a given instrument, in this case mods, and setting all the default parameters that are going to be used by these recipes. The next step is the creation of a new project, and again this is done by selecting the project menu and new. By creating a project, we are creating a new directory that will be filled by SIPGI initially with a sort of a copy of your raw data, and going on with the data reduction with all the mid products and final products of this data reduction. So make sure that you have enough space on your disk. Allocate my project into a folder called tutorial, and the project name will be tutorial. Inside each workspace you can have more than one project, and this can be useful to keep, for example, the data reduction of two sources of the same program separated.